So you wanna grab the pawn and AI controller is managing that's get control pawn. Now this tutorial is very important because I will show you how to get this node and how to use this node. So if you right click and type this node in an character class or an actor class, it won't show up because it's a very specific node that only comes in AI controllers. So get this node, just right click and type in blueprint, and then in all classes type AI controller like this, and you will get this AI controller. It's only come in this blueprint class only. So just let's name it tutorial underscore AI. This will do, and this icon is like this. So let's just open it, and it will look very similar to the AI controller that the normal character or actor blueprint actor that we use. But here, oh, battery is low. Let's just connect it to charger. Wait a second. Yes. Now in event begin play, what we will do here is we will type in get controlled pawn, and you can see we already got this node here because this is AI controller where we can get the controlled pawn. And now what we will do is we will cast it. We will do the cast to tutorial character. Let's just find it here. Yeah, there it is. So it will be connected to the object, and it will get the specific control pawn that is being used, only that pawn. So it's very useful, extremely useful. So let's just create a simple logic so we can just able to properly demonstrate how it's working. So what I will do here is I will get a AI move to, that will do. Let's just get AI move to. Yeah, there it is. So we got AI move to. We have zoomed out too much, and for pawn reference we are giving it the cast value of that, and the cast won't fail. You will see in just a couple of seconds, and we will put a small delay so we don't get any errors because of it. So just give it a 10-second thing, and I think I should make it a complicated because we are following from our previous what we said, our previous tutorials. So we will click off this random fail. If it fails, it fails. So yeah, so it will roam around randomly until only 10 seconds are over, and then after 10 seconds it will go to a location of 000, which we have put in AI controller. And yeah, one more thing, in class default you have to assign this node like this as AI controller class tutorial AI, and click this is into placed or spawned, because sometimes it gives us error without spawn, even within when we are spawned or even when we are placed in the world. So keep it spawned and play or placed into the world. Now after ten seconds they are moving randomly, and after 10 seconds what happened? Yeah, as you can see on the screen, they went to zero, but something went wrong because other didn't go as well. Let's see. On success they go there. I think we need to remove the delay because after 1 second they go back to that specific location. Yeah, so it triggered again and again because every one of them have different places. So now I don't think the error will happen again, and as soon as the time over it will go to that location. Let's just do a print string just in case to see whether it's working or not. Let's give a random thing like yo, and let's begin play. So now they are doing their normal maneuver of going here and there every 10 seconds in 10 seconds, and as soon as the 10 second is or yes, now all of them are coming to the location of 0000, as you can see on the screen. So this is how this node is actually works. So it actually controls the pawn, and it's actually super useful when we go in more deeply into AI, and is useful for commanding AI movement, health, or animation. Without it, the AI controller can't affect its pawn. So we have to give it a reference of its original pawn which it's going to control. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.